This video I will explain how to create a printed QR code sticker for Google Pay. If you run a small business, using printed QR code sticker makes it easier for customers to pay you through Google Pay. They can simply scan the QR code and pay without asking your phone number. First, you have to open the Google Pay. You have to make sure you are using your business or personal Google Pay account. You must have your bank account linked and your UPI ID should be active. Second step is find your QR code. In the Google Pay app, tap on your profile, your name or photo. You will see your UPI QR code. Then tab Show QR to view it. This QR code is unique to your bank account. Anyone who scans it can send you money. Third step is save or download the QR code. You will see an option like download or share QR. Tap on it and save the QR code image to your phone. This saved QR image will be used for printing. Fourth step is add business name. It is optional but recommended. If you want your sticker to look professional, you can add your shop name, UPI ID, Google Pay logo. You can do this by using any simple photo editing app and no advanced editing skills are required. Fifth step is print the QR code. You have two choices. Option 1 is local print shop. Go to any mobile accessory shop, stationery shop, or printing shop. Tell them to print your QR code as a sticker or laminated card. Option 2 is online printing services. Upload your QR code image to QR sticker printing websites. Choose size and style. They will print and deliver to your address. Both methods are fine. Just make sure the QR code is clear and it is not blurry. Sixth step is place the sticker where customers can see. You can stick it near billing counter, shop entrance, cash box area, and delivery counter. The QR code should be easy to see and easy to scan. How customers pay? Customers simply open their Google Pay or any UPI app, tab Scan QR, point the camera at your QR sticker, enter the amount and pay. You will receive instant confirmation on your phone. Here I have opened Google Pay app. Click on profile picture and here you can see R symbol. Near to that you can see the QR code symbol. Click on that and here you can see the QR code. And top you can see download option. Using that you can download this QR code. Down you can see share QR code. You can share this QR code in WhatsApp. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.